Welcome to the EBW forecast. For today, we have another blizzard.
That's terrible.
Stay indoors and watch this video because there is a blizzard.
Put your mittens on, Dan.
I can't because I can't open the box.
Oh.
Yes, we have another Blizzard Legacy Collection hobby box. 6 cards a pack, 20 packs a box. Yeah, I do have another one of these, but I'll be saving that for my own entertainment, I believe.
You all know the drill with this. It's Dan's recent favourite set that he's going after. There's lots of different parallels and inserts to chase. It won't be the Horde parallels we're looking for this time. It will be
To recent knowledge.
Yeah, uncommons, rares, epics, legendaries. So the different foils of all the cards. And there's just so much. I can't get into this.
I just love this
What were
set.
those diamond cards we found?
Realm Lords.
Let's get a Realm Lord card. Come on.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Would you like to make a call? There's 10 on each side.
I'm going to go for 7th from the top on the left.
I'll just go top left then.
Okay, Briggs, that's yours. I'll put that to this side
I
over
can
here.
keep it.
No.
Imagine opening a whole box and saying which one do you want. I'll just take that pack and walk off
3,
with it and that's
4,
what
5, 6, 7. That's yours, right?
That's what I mean. That's what we've got to organise a holiday to the States for. They literally just have open hobby boxes on the shelf so you can find that.
Well, let's just go. If anybody wants to fund our trip to the States,
Like and
Yes, sir.
subscribe.
please,
Please fund our travel.
for your entertainment.
I'll go Steve.
As we've done quite a lot of these videos, I'll just go through them and find the hits.
I think that's a good idea, yeah.
There's a Heradric Cube to begin with, and a rare Stalker.
They are quite rare. You don't tend to get stalkers these days.
Usually run about 6 rares per box, I think.
Rakanov, number 19 Cube.
You know, we'll do it, like I said, we'll do an update on the shorts and TikTok to let you know where we're at.
Yeah.
We all know we love the base set bingo.
Can't beat it.
Oh, we have an emote.
And
I think that is the first base.
That's a base emote. Yeah. There's
So it will
Echo
be-
doing a curtsy. That's actually showing up on camera as well.
it is.
It's because of the white background, I think.
And we have an uncommon Murky.
He is my. What's the guy in Star Wars?
Babu Frick.
He's my Babu Frick.
Spirit animal.
Yeah.
I wouldn't bother sleeving the uncommons.
No.
If you haven't already, check out TikTok, Instagram,
All of our socials.
all of the socials.
eBay shop if you want to buy some of these cards or any of the other thousands of products we have.
Oh, Dan pulls some
Ooh.
fire.
Ultimate ready. Bastion.
Don't have that one, do you?
New.
That is nice. They text you.
That bit is.
You can get ultimate ready parallels, you can manage to find it, so hopefully we can.
And a Tyrael uncommon.
Today's the day. It'd be nice to do a rainbow of your favourite characters, Dan.
It would. So far, I feel like I'm getting a rainbow for Joe's favourite character.
There you go.
Excuse me, I had a nick. Oh, another BlizzCon.
Is that a parallel?
This. It's
Yeah.
bronze, isn't it?
Turn it over.
Be numbered. Be numbered.
No.
As if we've never seen them under the light before, maybe. Yeah, we've never seen them under this light before because we opened the previous boxes at HQ2, didn't we?
Yeah, they are bronze. Look, there's some there.
Yeah.
HQ2.
Yeah, they are bronze.
They're nice, man. I like them.
Yeah.
They're 15 card sets, so hopefully find some more.
Yeah, you should definitely.
So if you don't know already, the silver ones are base. Green is uncommon. Blue is rare. Purple is epic. And orangey gold is legendary.
There's also so many other parallels, but honestly, we'll just cross average when we get there.
Yeah. It started off as fun and now it's.
There's also a silver that is a different silver.
Yes.
Yeah.
Another BlizzCon.
Oh, nice.
Tell you what, I'm loving this.
So many cool characters on there.
That is nice. Lead it up.
There's Illidan with Hearthstone card.
Again, as mentioned in the previous video, to really find the varied sort of stuff that's on offer, you've really got to go for hobby in this.
Yeah.
Which
Yeah.
is a shame.
You're not going to find much other than Horde, Base, and Molten Core.
Like the ultimate readies for Overwatch, for example, you're lucky to find a
1 in
couple.
50 packs, I
Yeah,
think.
you're lucky to find a couple in a whole case of blasters, where in a hobby you will find a few of them.
Mercy.
Love the hobby box.
We have a cube.
Please don't have it.
I have that one.
Bumholes.
Prophet Velen.
Keeping it PG is always pretty good. That's what I like to say.
That is PG.
I know, that's why I say keep it PG.
So that one's a rare.
You haven't pulled an epic. The only epic you've pulled so far, I think, was that Reaper.
I had a Reaper emote.
You haven't seen an epic.
It's a normal card,
No.
which is strange.
Strange.
Hopefully, we end the wait for a legendary as well.
Yes.
What colour legendary?
Orangey gold. That's another cube.
Gold.
Material number 23. I think I've got that one. So we have a rare Diablo.
Not Jurassic Park.
No.
Also, it's worth noting it's very hard to find numbered cards because there aren't very many.
I think you pulled one, didn't you?
Off camera. Yeah.
What is this?
Oh, there's diamond. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Was that just one card in that whole pack?
That is one card.
Where's the pack?
No
sleeves?
way.
It's numbered. 50 out. It's last off the chain. 50 out of 50.
He's done it.
Ring them, you know what it
Yeah,
is.
it's fine.
Oh my god, that is beautiful. We were literally saying, Dan.
I was like, this card feels weird. Where's the others?
50 and 50.
Is it a really thick card?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's like 60 point.
No. It's
No,
thicker.
more than
Uh,
75.
With one diamond. I hope you enjoy this unique piece of trading card history as we continue. Oh, that's so
So
cool.
look at the front again.
Oh, what
Wow.
a card.
Is that like an actual diamond?
Yeah.
I feel like manufactured.
It'd be a manufactured
Yeah, yeah.
diamond, yeah, but it's still very cool.
Drekthar. So I don't know much about him.
Well, you best get learning.
Oh, he's mentor to Thrall. Okay.
Let me get sleeved up there.
What a pack. I think you might need to get a bigger nope. Bang
Nice.
on the money.
Yeah, oh yeah, there we go.
It is sleeved up, viewers.
Bosh.
I'll get a top load before and while you're working on it.
What a pack.
I'll be happy with that. The Hitman strikes.
Well happy with that.
The Hitman strikes again. What's it?
We've got a Hearthstone thingy here. It's just a base pack. This is in Hearthstone. These are what the base pack looks like.
Yeah.
And an uncommon. That's fine.
Nice one.
I'm going to use the knife.
Do you want me to do it?
That's right. I've used the knife.
Be incredibly careful.
You got the Hearthstone card in it.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So I'll get.
With
we'll open this.
precision. I've definitely got a stop load like that at home.
So inside the Innkeeper's collection, you get this little door that you have to open up. And inside, he says,
Is it a little 3 card pack?
it is.
What are they called? Cigarette?
They're like cigarette card size.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are all cards from Hearthstone.
That is so cool.
There are 150 of those to collect.
Yeah,
It's a set. And they're not Russian dolls.
Yeah.
pretty much.
So what was the? Just sorry, going back to your Realm Lord pull. So it doesn't actually say how often they appear, does it?
You see,
So
it's
that-
a single
the-
diamond, not a crop diamond.
So that's an epic Realm Lord then, because it's purple.
Yes,
That is
Yeah.
absolutely bonkers.
that's huge. I'll take that.
From pulling nothing to pulling everything.
Oh, I'm so happy I opened this on camera.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. What a pull. Come on,
Silver.
do it again.
Nice.
So this is a silver. So you'll notice it's got that textured shimmer to it.
And not just a silver bar at the bottom.
I know what you'd call it. Just what you said it was.
Silver on the back.
Insane.
They all
What a-
look really
what a
nice.
box. And you haven't even opened the pack art picture yet, so.
I think you picked the wrong
Material
one.
uncommon. Gul'dan and Tassadar. This is going well, isn't it?
What a box to witness.
Yeah, what?
Velen, Lily, Titus. Yeah, I thought I'd missed something there. Brightwing uncommon. Just to let you know, they do say uncommon.
It is quite
Uther and Leah. I'm buzzing now.
That is insane. What a pull.
Why couldn't there be more diamonds on it? I'm not angry.
Illidan, my favourite character throughout all of Blizzard. Kira. Another cube with a rare. Decade Cane number 21. Don't know if I have that. We'll find out soon.
I always think there's something special. It's just all like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, not
it's
just,
very
you know what I mean?
I think we've got 8 packs left, including your guys.
good. Best packs you can get.
Yeah.
If you top that pull,
That's the one I would have chose. Ultimate ready. Zarya.
Yeah, you don't have that one, do you?
New.
Cool.
What's she saying? I'm letting the double
I'm
steam.
going for the warm steam.
I'm going for the double steam.
No one knows what she's
I
actually
think
saying.
we can help.
Probably. A
Pull the rare.
uncommon of the character we just pulled.
What's his name?
Danak Trollbane.
Oh,
Danath.
Keith.
Danath.
looks like an advisor to the king.
He probably is.
Please, my lord.
Hearthstone? So this is a mage pack
Okay.
because of the staff on it.
So you're still looking to find your first golden.
I think we pulled it when we were at HQ2. I think we had a gold pack.
No, but a golden card.
Oh yeah.
I have not got a bit. I can't look.
It's alright, no, but
He does.
It's alright. I work with a knife all day, mate.
Hey! There's a good piece.
I love this. They're
They're
just
so
so
cool.
clever.
It's so groovy.
There's binders out there that cater for normal. You got Urban.
They're just cigarette cards size.
So we have Menacing Nimbus, Mordresh Fire Eye, and Sir Finley Morgleton, who is a legendary in Hearthstone.
I think he's one of my favourite players.
He's just a little guy.
I don't like how quickly these packs are going.
No, I don't either.
It's pretty much like we do a lot of different things here at EBW, loads of different colours, high end, low end, but they all got the same thing in common. It's usually over way too quick.
Oh,
We've got the patch.
a War Banner,
Nice.
Protoss, War Banner.
Is it numbered?
It is not.
It is
Oh,
not.
there is a Spectral or something behind it though.
Double World.
Lunara.
Nice.
Uh,
Okay, let's leave that. So there are a few war banners on our eBay shop if they interest you.
that is a Spectral.
Very nice. Yeah, that's gorgeous, that is. That card
Very
reminds me
nice.
of the Northern Lights, Dan.
Did you watch the Northern Lights when they
Didn't see it.
happened?
They were right over my house.
HU1?
Yes. Oh, HQ. Yeah.
I didn't see him.
I didn't see him, I was too busy asleep.
Everyone said you could go and see him the next day, so I stood out in a field till 2 o'clock in the morning. Couldn't see it.
Rubbish.
Are you alright?
A Kama. Oh, what?
What's this going on?
Another war banner.
Another one.
Is that Zerg?
Yep.
What is that?
What is?
Is it another Spectral?
That's a transmog.
Nah, it's a Spectral.
Oh, okay.
If it was a transmog, I would have lost my wicket.
Noodle.
Back to back war banner Spectral.
Jesus Christ.
I knew that was Zerg because I think we've pulled that war banner before.
Like Toy Story Zerg.
No.
There were 2 Spectrals in one box.
You're on a vibe, Dingo.
This
Yeah.
is a great box.
We've pulled the wrong pack. This is going to be an anti-climax.
I don't know. I don't think we have. Honestly, just keep the faith.
Ryan's
Right.
keeping the vibe
Can
high.
you pull our first one of one and show it, please, in the sketch?
I'll give it a go. That's silver.
Green Goblin.
Zoljian.
I stand by it. Silver's one of the best parallels there is.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Feels nice as well. We have a Deathwing uncommon.
Quality control on these cards. Absolutely pants.
Whack.
Whack.
Thwack.
3 to go, Dan. Is that it?
That's it, mate.
Come on then, sunshine.
Titus. That's something though. Zol. It is a silver, yeah.
Here he is.
Morgul.
What a geezer. Dan, you're going through the rainbow now.
Medivh uncommon.
Is he not in the ball?
No. He's a warlock.
He's a...
Right.
Right, who wants to go first?
Basically the first.
No, Ringo was first.
Oh, mate, fine.
Because you went last. My turn, first one.
Ryan. This is the pack you've chosen, sir.
The one of the one.
If it's not in here, you're fired.
Oh no, we don't want to fire him.
Oh, we don't want to
We
fire him
would
at all.
have nothing.
Morgul.
Here he is again. It's a good start.
Malagos.
Okay.
With a rare. So it's an Imperious cube. I don't know if I have that.
We will find out.
A Lily.
Jack Black.
Duriel. And Sargeras.
Well, it's not bad. Remember it is.
No,
Nah,
that's definitely
nah,
yours. It's not a bad pack. It's not a bad pack.
To be fair, Dingo, you've pulled all the fire, so
Yeah.
it's all here.
If there's another diamond card in there, that'd be great.
Right, Briggs.
Come on, Dingo.
Let's see what you've chosen.
For the boys.
Last pack of the video.
Beep boop. Bastion. The Lost Vikings. A cube.
Get in! 1 for 1.
And a rare.
Yeah,
Bastion.
You're right, we picked the worst pack.
Bosh!
There's a Belial. I think I need that.
I can't believe you've pulled a diamond.
Mad.
Yeah, I'll leave you to where do you want to start over here? So you got silvers,
That's only
your
one card
BlizzCon
to show.
cards, your rares, your ultimate readies.
So I'll start with the BlizzCons. So we have on here, we have Diva top right next to Titus or Reyna. And then Lilith in the back with Deathwing, Illidan, and I always forget the guy at the front, but he's the original, he's the guy that took over as being the Lich King.
How does he know all this?
Who plays the game?
There's about 600 characters on there, so I'm not going to go through them all. There's Reaper.
Nice.
Yep, they're the BlizzCon cards.
It's like I can name every Formula 1 champion since 1950.
That's
They all have
1949.
they all have
Yeah, I
Formula 1. Anyway,
We have the Zerg and Protoss war banners.
there will be an eBay shop, I'm sure.
Yes.
If you're interested.
they are nice cards.
Nice patch card.
The silver cards. I really like the look of these.
I was going to say, I think the silvers are my favourite
They are very nice
insert
parallels,
set.
So we have Morgul.
yeah. Love Morgul, love him.
What a G.
Zul'jin, and Zoltan Cool. That's a really nice card. That.
Beautiful artwork.
I think I'll just head straight over to the Realm Lords.
What?
Drekthar, 50 of 50, single diamond.
It couldn't
Epic
be
parallel purple.
a one
Yeah.
of them, could it? 50 of 50.
Yeah, epic.
The end of the row.
So that is the second highest you've got, because legendaries are numbered to 10 or less.
Yes.
So it only goes 50 cent 101.
No, 50, and then there's all the realm lords are differently
Oh, okay.
numbered. The legendary ones different, so one's to 8, one's to 7.
Crikey.
That's crazy.
That was huge.
What a box.
Yeah, if you like what you saw, please make sure you subscribe, like, head over to our other socials like TikTok, Instagram. Tell your friends about us.
Yes.
Tell your
Get over
friends.
to our eBay shop if you do want to purchase Blizzard cards. We've also got Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, Sport, you name it, we've probably got it. So come check us out. And until next time.
See you
thank very
later.
much for watching. Bye.
Bye!